Today I want to provide a brief overview of using barcode scanning in combination with the SWBX88 Switchbox and EDU2AE Top Series controller by Kolver. There's basically two different strategies to using barcode scanning with this configuration. The first is to scan a preloaded barcode that will recall and activate a specific sequence of programs. The secondary way is to use a unique serial number or barcode scan to unlock the system, allowing it to be active, and then allowing the operator to work with sequencing or select a program of their choice. So we'll take a look at the first strategy, which is using this with sequencing. And so what I'm going to do is hold the escape button to go into the sequence settings menu. I want to scroll down and I'm going to turn EXT box on, or external box, to activate the switch box. The next thing I'm going to do is scroll up to sequencing. I also want this on, and as you can see, I've set my sequence already to have programs 1 and 2 already preloaded. I'm scrolling down where you have mod barcode, or the mode that you want the barcode to work in. We're going to go and turn this on sequence. And then the very last step we'll have is we want to enter in the specific barcode we will use to recall the sequence. And so now what I'm doing is I'm just going to go ahead and scan this barcode, click OK. And you can see here that we have confirmed and it is locked in. Going back out to the run screen, and now you can see it's asking us to scan the product. Once again, I'm going to scan the specific barcode I'd like to use to recall that sequence. And as you can see now, what's happening is I am on my sequence and I can work with program 1 of 2. If I go to choose program 2, it's saying select the right program because it will require me to work in the specific order. And you can see here we have this flashing LED that is indicating to the operator to select program 1. Off screen, I'm going to do a couple of rundowns to satisfy my screw count of 2. Now you can see I have a program end signal, and the LED over program 2 is flashing, telling me to select the right program. Once I'm done, I fasten down the 2 screws to complete my screw count. And once again, I am at the start position where I'm being asked to scan the product to activate that sequence again. Now let's take a look at the secondary way of using this, and that would be on serial number with sequence. And so what we can do here is we're leaving all of the programming exactly the same. The only difference is when we have mod barcode, or the mode of barcode, now what we want to do is we want to turn this to on SN, or on serial number, which allows for a unique scan. And something important to remember is when we set this to on SN, that unique barcode scan is actually going to be exported via the data stream on the back of the controller. And so this is really good for applications where you may be building 200 of the same part, but each part has a unique barcode, and you want to retain the fastening data for that specific build that you're doing. And so as you can see here, in much the same fashion, I'm going to just scan any unique barcode, and now I am active again and I'm able to work through that sequence. And just to show you, we'll do this in the same exact manner. It's telling us to select the right program with the flashing LED. We're going to satisfy our screw count once again. Program 1 is over. It's telling me to select the right program, which is program 2 with the flashing LED. Doing my fastening off screen once again. The program ends. Now I can scan whatever unique barcode I want for the next part that's being brought into the work cell. The other method that we discussed with on serial number allows the operator to select a program at will through the keypad on the Switchbox. And so for this, what we're going to do is go in to sequence settings once again. In this case, we want sequence off. We're leaving our external box on. We're leaving the barcode mode on serial number, and we're just going back out. And you can see here, once again, scan the unique barcode. We'll scan this guy down here. Now I'm active. And the main difference is the operator has the power to select between the programs that they want to use. So I'm going to select program 1, going to satisfy the screw count once again. Once I'm done with that screw count, I'm being asked to scan another unique barcode and choose whichever program I would like to work with. If you have any questions on this, would like to learn more about this product or see a demo, please feel free to contact us, Kolver@kolverusa.com, or visit our website, www.kolverusa.com.